Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Today we are going to talk about ultra-budget smartphone called Ulefone S10 Pro. For the price only $70, it offers many interesting features such as 5.7-inch full-view display, 16 and 5 megapixel rear camera, and 8 megapixel front camera, Android 8.1 operating system, and even face unlock. It is the first look video, but if you are interested in this phone, please write in comments below. We will try to get it for full review. The Ulefone S10 Pro looks like a flagship smartphone from early 2018. Today the big notch above the display looks outdated, and most mobile devices use water drop notches for even full bezel-less displays with slider design. However, Ulefone S10 is ultra-budget smartphone, so we can understand its big notch. This is quite compact smartphone with 5.7-inch display. The resolution is HD+ 1498 by 720 pixels. The aspect ratio is 19:9. Also, you can see information on official website about 90% of screen-to-body ratio. Of course, it is not true, because we can see quite thick bezels around the screen. The real screen-to-body ratio is about 80%. On the back you can see a dual rear camera and fingerprint reader. The smartphone is available in gold, black and blue color options. The Ulefone S10 Pro has only micro USB port, but you can still use 3.5mm audio jack for connecting headphones. The smartphone is powered by entry-level chipset MediaTek MT6739WA. It has 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal memory with slot for microSD. I want to say once again that this is ultra-budget smartphone, so you shouldn't expect high performance. This smartphone is for simple everyday tasks, calls and messages, but not for gaming. The Ulefone S10 Pro scores only 40,000 points in AnTuTu. From other side, there is new Android 8.1 Oreo operating system with new software functions such as face unlock. The Ulefone company says that camera is one of the main features of this smartphone. There is dual rear camera with 16 megapixel main sensor and 5 megapixel secondary sensor. Also, the phone has dual LED flash for taking photos in low light conditions. 8 megapixel front camera has beauty mode. Right now we cannot talk about image quality, because we haven't seen real sample photos, but we didn't expect high-quality images for a $70 smartphone. The battery has a capacity of 3350 mAh. Given the low screen resolution and a weak processor, the battery life should be good. The smartphone will work about 2 days on a single charge. Of course, there is no fast charging support because of micro USB port. The charge power is only 5 Watt. Among other features of Ulefone S10 Pro, we should say about independent audio chip, GPS and GLONASS, and dedicated slot for dual SIM and microSD. Yes, you can use dual SIM and microSD memory card at the same time. The smartphone is already available on sale for the price $69. A Ulefone S10 Pro tries to look like a flagship smartphone, but inside it is entry-level device. The performance is very weak, only 40,000 points in AnTuTu. The cameras look good, but we cannot talk about image quality without real sample photos. So if you need a cheap smartphone for calls, messages, social media and simple tasks, then Ulefone S10 Pro can be a good option. Thanks for watching, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.